What is computer? The word computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate. But nowadays, computers are also being used for many other purposes else calculating. Thus the computer can be defined as: it is an electronic device which accepts instructions in the form of input, and after processing it gives us information in the form of output. Brief history of computer. The abacus, shown in below, is a calculator. Its first recorded use was circa 500 BC. The Chinese used it to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. In 17th century, Blaise Pascal, a mathematician and scientist of France, developed the first mechanical calculator, which he called the Pascalins. Charles Babbage, a mathematician of UK, in 1822 designed a special type of calculator called difference engine, and in 1833 he developed a machine called analytical engine. Later on, American scientists working at Howard University developed a computer between 1937 and 1943 called Howard Mark I. First electronic computer was developed in 1946 at the University of Pennsylvania, USA. First personal computer, PC, was developed in 1981.